Hello student, let's discuss first number of exercise 3.1. Question is find the range of height of any 10 student of your class. I am taking here the height of 10 students and going to find the range of the height of the student. Here highest height is 5.3 and lowest one is 4.2. So to find out the range, formula is highest height minus lowest height, or highest value minus lowest value. So highest height is here 5.3 and the lowest one is 4.2. So value difference is 1.1 feet. So range of the height of 10 students is here 1.1 feet. You can pick any 10 students and their respective height. Answer may be differ from me, so don't confuse. Okay. Next one is second number. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Here is the marks from 1 to 9 and arranging this mark in tabular form. First column the serial number, second one is marks from 1 to 9, then tally marks, represent it into tally marks, then the frequency. You can write the frequency. Suppose mark 1 marks, frequency is 1, and so on. Next, that number send some bits. First is which number is highest. From above data, which one is highest? 9 is the highest value, so the highest number is 9. Okay. Next, here is the second bit. Which number is the lowest? Observe the data. Lowest value is 1, so lowest number is 1. And third one is what is the range of the data? Range of the data is highest value minus lowest value, difference between highest and lowest value. So highest value is here 9 and lowest value is 1. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So range of this data is 8. Next is find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, what is arithmetic mean? Formula of arithmetic mean is sum of all values divided by number of values. Sum of all values means the above data, sum of above data, that is 4 plus 6 plus 7 up to 7 divided by total number of values. There are 20 numbers, so sum divided by 20. So sum of all this value is equal to 100 divided by 20. 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. So arithmetic mean of this data is 5.